Hi preschoolers, today we are going to make a chemical reaction with baking soda and vinegar, and my son Gavin is going to help us. You say hi, Gavin?
Hi.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to pour some baking soda into our pan. Okay, I'm going to set the camera up. We have our tray. We're just going to pour some baking soda in.
What is the pan going to be called?
This is called baking soda. And I just filled a pan with baking soda. Okay. Next, I'm going to take some food coloring. I'm going to use some of our primary colors. Let's see if I can find our primary colors. I have red, blue, and yellow. I'm going to put a couple drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I'll do 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did 10 drops of yellow food coloring. Next, I'm going to do 10 drops of red food coloring. Oh, and it looks like my red food coloring is not working well, so let's see if I can open it. Ooh.
That's what I had to do.
Now I have food coloring all over my hands. Very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of red food coloring.
Well, the food coloring is really
And
cool.
last, we're going to use blue food coloring. 10 drops. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of blue food coloring. Our next ingredient is vinegar. Can everyone say vinegar? Vinegar. Okay, I'm going to pour some vinegar into a glass jar. All right, vinegar. Whew, it smells pretty strong. How's the smell?
Bad.
Not very good? Okay, now we're going to take a dropper. A medicine dropper will work.
Oh, we doing this one?
This is a lot of fun. We are going to get some vinegar in our medicine dropper. And we are going to slowly pour the vinegar into the baking soda with our food coloring. Oh, it created a chemical reaction, kind of like a little mini volcano.
Can I try?
And I'm going to let my son Gavin do the rest. And I want you guys to watch the reaction. Ooh, I see yellow. Red, blue, and yellow so far. Blue. Yellow. Ooh, and I see orange now because yellow and red make orange. Oh, now I see green because yellow and blue make green. Wonder what other colors we will see. It's more orange. Yellow and red mixing. Ooh, red. Some orange. Lots of orange. Ooh.
I've done this 2 times.
These are fun.
When we did it with Steven and them?
We have done it before, yes.
White?
It's really fun. It's kind of like making little tiny mini volcanoes.
Yeah.
Watching baking soda and vinegar make a reaction, chemical reaction.
They're like explosions.
And it just keeps going.
Can I spray it on top instead?
Sure. And you can try this at home if you have baking soda,
and
vinegar,
and
the food coloring.
Red.
Oh, I see lots of red and orange.
Shoot.
There you go, you got it. Look at all those colors.
Mom, one of them made
Oh, look at, I see blue. I see blue. Lots of fun. So maybe you can try it at home if you have the right ingredients.
Yeah.